Now I'm going to give you two short sentences. You will use the two sentences to make two infinitive sentences. So the usage of two infinitive in the creating the two sentences, how you put it together. Okay? Now, combine the following pairs. Combine the following pairs of sentences by by using to using the to infinitive to infinitive. And that's what we are going to do. Now, the first one I have here is don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. That's the first sentence. Then I have another sentence here. It is foolish. It is foolish. So we have two sentences and we are supposed to combine the two pairs using two infinitive to complete the sentence. So how will you do it? It is foolish, yes, to waste your time. Very good. So the answer is it is. It is foolish to waste. It is foolish to waste your time. Very good. It is foolish to waste your time. Another two sentences I have is she collects stamps. She collects stamps. She collects stamps. Of different places. Of different places. And the next sentence is, it is her hobby. It is her hobby. It is her hobby. Now, we need to combine together with two. She collects stamps of different places. It is a hobby. So, how will you combine the sentence? It is a hobby to collect stamps of different places. Answer is, it is her hobby. It is her hobby to collect stamps. To collect. To collect. We have added to collect. Stamps of different places. Different places. So we got combining the sentence. It is her hobby to collect stamps of different places. Another sentence I have here, couple of sentences for you, is he helped the poor woman. He helped. He helped the poor woman. The poor woman. That's the first sentence. He helped the poor woman. It was generous of him. It was. It was generous of him. It was generous of him. So if we have, he helped the poor woman, it was generous of him. Let's combine it with the two. It was generous of him to help the poor woman. It was. So the answer is, it was generous of him to help him to help the poor woman. To help the poor woman. It was generous of him to help the poor woman. Okay? And then we have one more sentence for you to do it. Millions of people bathe in Ganga. The purpose is to wash away their sins. So, how will you combine that? Millions of people bathe in Ganga to wash away their sins. So, we have another sentence here. Millions of people millions of people have a bath in the Ganga. Have a bath in the Ganga. In the Ganga. Another sentence I have here is, their purpose is to wash away their sins. Their purpose is to wash away their sins. Now, how will you combine that? Millions of people have a bath in the Ganga. Their purpose is to wash away their sins. So, you can say millions of people bathe in Ganga to wash away their sins. That can be the answer. Millions of people have a bath in the Ganga, have a bath in the Ganga, and then you say Ganga to wash away their sins. To wash. The answer is to wash away their sins. Okay? And then we will do a couple of sentences orally. Another one I have with me is, we must respect elders. Another sentence, it is our duty. So how will you combine? We must respect elders, it is our duty. You combine it with two infinitive. It is our duty to respect the elders. It is our duty to respect elders. Then, she studies hard. That's one sentence. She has to stand first in her exam. So, how will you join it? She studies hard to stand first in the exam. She studies hard to stand first in the exam. Another one is, it is our duty to respect the elders. So what have we done here? We are combining two sentences using two infinitive to complete the sentence. So instead of two, we have a single sentence here. It is foolish to waste your time. We combine the two sentences. It is her hobby to collect stamps of different places. It was generous of him to help the poor woman. Here, millions of people have a bath in Ganga to wash away their sins. Okay? It is our duty to respect the elders. She studies hard to stand first in class. So combining two sentences using two infinitive to make a single sentence.